Well, hey guys, welcome back. Third delivery down, third full cord. He's happy. I'm happy. Let's get back to the wood yard. Let's measure the truck, see what it actually is, and let's have a small discussion. I do have a plan in place for next year to make this easier and better. So before I get back, let's stop at the pallet store and see what's there. See you guys in a few minutes. Okay, we are a couple days later. I did get some pallets from the pallet store. There's what, 3? Yeah, 3 there. Well, let's go over the measurements of the truck. You guys have been asking. So according to my notes, I have 93 inches long. So from that post all the way to the front corner, I have 67 inches wide. And for height, it's 45.5 inches from the floor to the top. Without adding wheel wells, it's 168 cubic feet. There's my measurements and my notes. So the first delivery, I had a cord in it. The second 2 was well over that. So in this case, he got extra. He's happy. I'm okay with it for now. Next year, we're going to do something different. And I'll have that. I'll show that here in the next couple of weeks. But yeah, what would you guys do with a guy like this? You guys, a lot of you guys were telling me to tell him it's time to go. Find somebody else. I'm not your guy. I don't mind a challenging customer, but sometimes the challenge is not worth it. Sometimes it's maybe he's trying to teach me something. Maybe I'm trying to teach him something. Don't know. We'll leave it at that. I've been erring on the side all week of maybe he's just been burned so many times that that's just how he is. And this is how he is. Now that he's got someone that's honest, I'm questioning myself too. Because, hey, I could be wrong. But, yeah. So I'll give him one more shot next year. We'll see what happens. I'll show that coming up in the next couple of weeks. But in the meantime, I'm going to start loading. I got another delivery for tomorrow coming up. And this guy, he won't care. As long as I show up on time and I deliver, I'll over-deliver like I've been doing before. And, yeah. Well guys, I'm calling it done. I'll come home tomorrow afternoon. I'll top it all off. But there you go. This will be the third cord for this gentleman. Dealt with him the last couple of years, no problems. So, but definitely let me know what you guys would do. If I did my math right, it's 164 cubic feet. So that's what? One full cord and a third ish. So softwoods, fir and pine, well, fir equivalent to pine for you guys. But yeah, until next week, have a good week, travel safely, and thanks for watching.